Now we have got question number 12. This is the last question of our chapter. It says, name any 5 hybrid varieties of crop plants which have been developed in India. Okay, we need to say what? 5 varieties of hybrids. Let's start. So we'll make 2 columns, crops and varieties. Now let's start crop. Wheat. Okay, its hybrid is Himgiri and Sonalika. Brassica is Pusa Swarnim or Karan. Right, Swarnim means gold, Karan is goldish like color, so Karan Rai. Cauliflower is Pusa Subhra and Pusa Snowball K1. Cauliflower is white in color, and remember snowball is also white in color, so Pusa Snowball. Now cowpeas, Pusa Komal. Cow, let's name a cow named Komal, so Pusa Komal, remember it like that. Chili, Pusa Sada Bahar. Okay, Sada Bahar. And rice is Jaya and Ratna. What? Rice is Jaya and Ratna. So students, we are done with our chapter number 9.